Have you been struggling to find success with digital marketing but don't know where to start? Well, I'm here to tell you that email marketing is the most profitable area of digital marketing, and in this video, you will learn exactly how it works. Hi everyone, my name is David Abraham and I'm passionate about helping people succeed in their digital transformation efforts. Email marketing has been around for a while now, and many people think it's outdated or not worth investing in. But nothing could be further from the truth. I'm going to show you why email marketing is still one of the most profitable areas of digital marketing and how you can use it to your own advantage. In fact, email marketing boasts an impressive return on investment. A return on investment of up to $42 for every $1 spent, making it one of the most profitable areas of digital marketing. So, what makes email marketing so powerful? Here are 7 proven reasons that makes email marketing the most profitable area of digital marketing. Reason number 1: personalization and segmentation. One of the key advantages of email marketing is the ability to personalize and segment your messages. With email, you can tailor your content to specific audience segments based on factors like demographics, interests, and behaviors. This allows you to deliver highly relevant and targeted messages that resonate with your subscribers, resulting in higher engagement rates and conversions. For example, you can send personalized product recommendations based on a subscriber's browsing history or offer exclusive discounts to reward loyal customers. By providing content that truly speaks to your audience's needs and preferences, you can build stronger relationships and drive more sales through email marketing. Reason number 2: cost effectiveness. Compared to other digital marketing channels, email marketing is incredibly cost effective. There are no ad costs or expensive production fees involved. All you need is an email marketing platform and some creative copywriting skills. With a relatively low investment, you can reach a larger number of potential customers and generate significant returns. Plus, many email marketing platforms offer scalable pricing plans, making it easy for businesses of all sizes to find a solution that fits their budget. Reason number 3: direct access to customers. Email marketing allows you to communicate directly with your audience without relying on third-party platforms like social media or search engines. This means you have more control over your message and can build genuine connections with your subscribers. Unlike social media, where algorithms dictate which content users see, your emails land straight in your subscribers' inboxes, giving you a better chance of capturing their attention. And since people typically check their email multiple times a day, you can be sure your message gets seen. Reason number 4: measurable results. Another benefit of email marketing is the ability to track and analyze your campaign's performance. With email marketing platforms, you can access valuable data like open rates, click-through rates, conversion rates, and more. This information allows you to optimize your campaigns and make data-driven decisions to improve your results continually. By testing different subject lines, calls to action, and content types, you can fine-tune your email marketing strategy to maximize your ROI and drive better results for your business. Reason number 5: long-term value. Email marketing offers long-term value by helping you build and nurture relationships with your audience. By consistently Delivering valuable and engaging content, you can establish trust and credibility with your subscribers, turning them into loyal customers who are more likely to make repeat purchases and recommend your brand to others. Additionally, email marketing can help you grow your audience over time. By offering lead magnets like free ebooks, webinars, or discounts in exchange for email addresses, you can attract new subscribers and expand your reach. The more subscribers you have, the greater your potential for sales and conversions. Number 6. Automation and scalability. Email marketing platforms offer powerful automation features that allow you to create and schedule campaigns in advance, saving you time and effort. With email automation, you can set up triggered campaigns based on specific user actions, like sign up for your newsletter or making a purchase. This enables you to deliver timely and relevant messages that guide your subscribers through the customer journey, ultimately driving more conversions. And as your business grows, you can easily scale your email marketing efforts to reach an even larger audience. Reason number 7. Integration with other marketing channels. Email marketing can be seamlessly integrated with other digital marketing channels, creating a cohesive and multifaceted strategy. For example, you can combine email marketing with social media advertising to amplify your message and reach a wider audience, or use email to drive traffic to your website and boost your search engine rankings. By incorporating email marketing into your overall digital marketing strategy, you can create a powerful synergy that drives better results for your business. In conclusion, email marketing is a highly effective and profitable area of digital marketing that should not be overlooked. With unparalleled personalization, cost effectiveness, direct access to customers, measurable results, long-term value, automation capabilities, and integration potential, email marketing offers businesses a powerful tool for driving growth and success in the digital age. If you want to start a profitable email marketing business using just your email address and 15 to 30 minutes of work daily, please download this free book in the description below. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content on digital marketing, business growth, and success tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.